Heidi's roaming the dog park once again here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we come for 2 hours. Now she's making new friends, likes to be pet, likes to be given treats. Other dogs like to see what she's doing. That's my Heidi, one of my favorite clients. Been with her a good 4 or 5 years now. We used to do 30-minute walks. Now we're just come to the dog park for 2 hours every 3 weeks, every 3 days. 3 days a week, I mean. Hard to speak today. Hi, Heidi. She's very opinionated and the leader. She likes to bark and tell people what to do. Yeah, that's my Heidi girl.